how to export Wix website to WordPress. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can export Wix website to WordPress. So first of all, just open your Wix and WordPress at the same time and just log into your account on your Wix website and as well as your WordPress. And if you don't have an account, just sign up on both these websites. So first of all, just get into your Wix website, and after signing up in your account, you can select the template that you want to work on, or you can also customize the entire website by yourself according to your need. And once you select the website, just click on the edit site. So as you can see that I just opened my template. So just select your template website or customize your website according to your need and prepare entire website. Just complete your website, and once you're ready with your completed website, and now you're ready to transfer it from Wix to WordPress. So just copy the URL of this particular website that you have created on Wix and just hover to your WordPress, and here just log into your account and make sure that you have a temporary domain for the website that you want to export from Wix to your WordPress. And if you bought that temporary domain, and after that you will see these option at the left hand side of your screen. Just look for tools and just click on that, and after that under the tools section you will see this option called import. Just click on that, and now you will see all these platforms to which you can import the content to. So as you can see at the end you will see Wix. Just click on that, and now you have to enter the URL of the same website that you have created on your Wix. Just copy the URL and paste it over here and just click on continue, and after that your Wix website will be exported to WordPress successfully. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.